Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. In Selvin Kitchen we have another awesome delicious recipe for you guys. I want to say a big shout out to all of my new subscribers them. Welcome to the family. Thank you very much to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen. All of my old subscribers them, thank you guys a lot to stick by Selvin. So we're gonna look at a beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen today guys. No flour, no rice, no yam, no potato, no pasta, nothing like that. We're gonna look at a liver, cauliflower and broccoli recipe. Guys, stay tuned. So over here guys, we have 1 kilo of liver. I'm already gonna wash it in a minute. I'm gonna cut it up. So this is all the season we're gonna prepare for the liver. Over here we have half a teaspoon of paprika. We have half a teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have a pinch of pimento allspice. We have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any type of cooking oil for your preference. We have a piece of dry thyme. We're gonna use a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, 1 stalk of spring onion, 1 medium-sized white onion. We have half of broccoli, and we have half of cauliflower. We're going to use a pinch of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. So in Selvin Kitchen guys, stay tuned. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Awesome, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen guys. So what we're going to do now guys, to wash the liver, we're going to squeeze some lime on it. You can use vinegar or you can use lemon, but today I'm using half of green lime. So I'm going to wash my liver with it. What type of liver is this guys? This is the cow liver, beef. You can have lamb liver for your preference. A lot of people don't eat beef. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add some water to that. I'm just going to wash it 2 times. Give it a nice wash. You want to wash off all of that, any blood leave on it or anything like that. Let's get it all off. Then we're going to use a second water to rinse it off. So what we're going to do now guys, we're just going to prepare the liver. So any unwanted skin in the liver, we're just going to take that right off. We don't want that, so we're going to take this right off. We're going to skin it right off. We don't want that unwanted skin. So if you can just rip it off with your hand like that, put the knife in, take time and pull it and get off all of that skin, because it's easier when you're cooking it. So we don't want that skin on it. Take a knife and just pare it off like that. So right down, get that skin off. So just pull it. You know how you do it with a knife. That's it. So all of this skin, we don't want it. So what I do now, we're gonna slice up our liver. We're gonna add a teaspoon of onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, pimento allspice. Gonna add in a pinch of salt. Now we're just gonna get my hand guys, we're just gonna mix up all of that season to combine with that liver. Then I'm gonna leave it to marinate a good 20 minutes. Wow, you can smell that season with that onion powder, with that all-purpose season, with that pimento allspice, with that paprika, with that liver already. Look at that guys, nice. So I'm gonna leave that there to marinate for 20 minutes guys. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna add in the vegetable oil. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna add in the liver. Wow. Just gonna spread it around. You don't want everything to lump up one place in the pot, so just spread it around. Want everything to cook evenly. Yes, my beautiful people, sorry. The liver is in for the last 3 minutes. Just gonna mix it around a bit. Wow, that liver look nice, guys. As I said before, guys, anybody never had liver before, drop me a comment and let me know. And anybody have any beef liver before, still drop me a comment and let me know. Or tell me how you guys like it, or you guys prepare your liver. Check out this recipe in Selvin Kitchen today, guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I want to say a big shout out to all of my whole subscribers them again. My new subscriber them, thank you guys. Welcome to Selvin Kitchen family. So right now, what I gotta do now, guys, I'm gonna prepare the broccoli and the cauliflower to steam. I ain't gonna cook it, I'm just gonna steam it. So this is all the cauliflower, guys. When the liver over there is cooking now, I'm just gonna clean up the cauliflower. A bit, take off all of these, we don't want these on it. Just like that, just gonna split the cauliflower in two. If it's too big, just split it in two, but if it's small like that one, like this one now, it's gonna take off all of these dry leaves down here of the cauliflower, and just gonna split it in two. Then we're gonna wash these cauliflower. Then we're gonna put them in a steamer. This is the steamer we're gonna use today, guys. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add the carrot first in the bottom of the steamer. You know that the carrot take longer to cook more than the cauliflower, and the broccoli I already washed them already prepared them. Just gonna put back this lid on top of it. So the broccoli is here. We're gonna wash the cauliflower, wash the broccoli, and put them in the top steamer. Let them steam. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the cauliflower. So what I'm gonna do now, my beautiful people, add in the cauliflower already. So I'm just gonna add in the broccoli. Gonna let the broccoli steam with the cauliflower together. When you steam your vegetable, guys, it come out much more nicely. I don't like my cauliflower or my broccoli too soft. I like it a little bit crunchy. So I'm gonna give this around 10 minutes to steam. So we're gonna cut up one medium-sized white onion, guys. So we're gonna slice them up in full moon. Spring onion. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna grate the garlic. You can crush the garlic if you want, optional, or you can fine chop the garlic. But I like to grate my garlic. It was easier, in my opinion, but careful of your finger. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, the ginger, I'm just gonna grate the ginger as well. As I said, if you have the time, you can finally Just cut your ginger very fine, very small. But when you grate it like this, much quicker, much easier. It don't take me 20 seconds. So the liver now, guys, been burning off for the last 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, that's gonna add in the onion, the garlic, the ginger, the spring onion, and the dry thyme. Just gonna mix everything to combine with that liver. Wow, we can smell the flavor will come up into this, guys, I'm telling you. You can add a little bit more vegetable oil in it. So the onion, the garlic, the ginger in it for the last 2 minutes. So right now, guys, I'm gonna add in the soya sauce and the oyster sauce with a teaspoon of ketchup. Add a little bit of water to it. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a half a cup of boiling water. Let this cook down. I'm gonna add a bit more salt in it. And now I'm just gonna add in the Scotch bonnet pepper. Just gonna add in the Scotch bonnet pepper. It's optional. You can put in the Scotch bonnet pepper to your tolerance. Don't go put in 2 Scotch bonnet pepper or put in 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Put a little piece first, just a little small piece, and then you can taste it. If you want a little more Scotch bonnet pepper, add a little more piece in. Don't go cut up 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, in it, and then whenever you cannot eat it. So put a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper first, and then you can taste it. If you want any more Scotch bonnet pepper, add it to your tolerance. Okay, a lot of people cannot take Scotch bonnet pepper, so add it to your tolerance.
Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished, guys. Please like the video before you go, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go, and please view the channel for the rest of the awesome delicious recipe I have on my page. I have over 300 different type of recipe. I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, walk good, my beautiful people. Peace and love. Stay safe. Selvin Kitchen.